Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. And if you're looking for a beautiful dress, then you might like this one by Coco, their Empire Waist Maxi dress. I brought this with me to Hawaii and enjoyed everything about it. I love having a dress while I'm on a vacation, and it's always nice to have it on hand. In fact, there was an anniversary party, and I was able to dress to the T. I really liked the style, the look of this sangria wine that I got. I also appreciate that it's modest, but still very feminine and flattering, giving me that hourglass figure with the loose sleeves and around the empire waist. That style, that design was really unique, and I was the only one there wearing this dress. Also, the stitching was made well. There was nothing coming undone. And I like the quality, the softness of the material. All I did was unpack it from my suitcase, hang it until the wrinkles came loose. And it's not prone to wrinkling. The unique design around the front makes it very pretty. And it's definitely a timeless, beautiful piece. And I really appreciated packing with this dress with me on my recent travels. I felt beautiful while wearing it, and I love everything about it. But that's just my point of view.